What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today I am here with Grandkid1.
Hello.
And Creeper.
Hello.
And today we are just gonna do Hypixel games. So
yeah.
Grandkid1.
You wanna do private bedwars?
Yeah. But don't aim for us. Don't aim for.
No.
Well, technically you can now that Beast isn't around.
No. I never aim for you guys. It's fine.
Okay.
Don't aim for me, Green.
Anyway, yeah. So
I have all the stuff on.
Go if you haven't seen last video, go check it out. It's called Get to Know Me, first video. So also go subscribe to Grandkid1 and Creeper. Their channels are pretty cool. Even though I haven't seen Creepers yet.
Hey, I'm a blue jay.
You're cyan. I'm blue. I'm blue.
Wait, no, I'm not green.
Hey, Green.
Yeah.
Can you let us put our bed defense up first before you can attack us?
I'm not gonna target. I'm not gonna be mean like that.
Okay.
Is obsidian allowed?
I don't care.
Okay.
Oh, the apron. Some guy got the apron on. I'm like, where is it? Here you go. I'm kind of bad at bed defense. I'm kind of bad.
Oh man.
Can somebody help me with my bed defense?
I was trying to bridge and I tried. It's fine now. Give me a minute to that.
We should like destroy each other's bed. Like whenever like someone's bed's out, we should like destroy each other's beds and like do a big duel.
Yeah.
Maybe it depends if we're all free. If we all want.
I'm not
done with my bed defense.
Neither am I. Good bed defense always takes longer.
I'm kind of bad at bed defense.
No one's bad.
Oh, bro, you're good. Bro, Creeper's gonna win, man.
Wait, what do you mean? How's Creeper
Yeah.
gonna...
Well, thank
Yeah,
you.
mark my words. Creeper 14641 is gonna win this battle.
Why do you think so?
Because he's good at Minecraft, man.
Because he blows up stuff?
What? He blows up. Not quite what I meant, but.
Where you make
go
then? Where you make Green?
So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about how I started making a channel. So about a year ago, I think, Green, was it? Like a year ago, we started DCMZ. Was it about a year?
No, I made my channel a year ago. It was still a while for you guys to make yours, I think.
So yeah, about half a year ago or something.
Yeah, probably.
We started to make DCMZ half a year ago. And that pretty much turned out pretty good. So like we like all shared account and stuff.
Hey Green,
and,
what color you are?
Anyway, so
I am red.
You red?
I thought you were green.
Yeah, but
I thought you were green.
no. I forgot to pick a team. I'm gonna be completely honest, I just forgot.
James, I'm not coming to kill you, but I just want to see your bed defense.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah, technical. Okay, that's
Bro, I just saw Creeper fall into the void.
I just put her in the void.
Did you see that happen, Green?
Yeah. He's trying to take my emeralds, man.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I tried jump a stupid thing, but it's not working.
Anyway, so yeah, we started our channel, our DCMZ channel, like, long ago. Then,
I just want to
me
see a better
and
than
Wizard, that was his name before, he was
I'm just
Creeper.
Hi.
So,
Hey,
now
stop,
we are,
stop, Green.
now we are,
Stop,
we, like,
Green.
wanted to,
You said you were not
make
come
a
after
channel,
me. Stop.
Well, you hit them there.
we wanted to make our own channel, like, because we didn't want our own account and stuff. So we wanted to make our channel
Bro, I'm at half a
long
hole.
ago.
Bro, I'm at half a hole. Bro,
I used my fist.
I was at half a hole.
Anyway, so yeah, we just wanted to make our own channel. So yeah,
What color you are?
here we are making our own channel and stuff.
Let's go to Green. Let's team up.
Team up?
Why?
That's not
What if I don't
fair.
want it?
That's not fair. That is
What if I don't
not
want it to
fair.
What happened to my birthday, Green?
Oh, you just got roasted, Green.
How do I get roasted?
Hungry?
Hey.
Oh my gosh! Dude, I did not know I survived there.
Oh, I just came to mid without getting a stone sword. I just had a wooden sword the entire time.
That wasn't me. That was you. That was all you.
I know, I'm so stupid.
No.
Look at my bed defense. Look over. Hey, Green. Look over to my bed defense.
Okay, I want to check.
James,
I'm just getting all the
Green,
emeralds real quick.
Green.
Yes, Creeper?
Can you please don't kill me? I just want to see a better fence. Okay?
Okay. You better not start breaking it, though.
I
Start
won't.
breaking it.
I'm promise.
You promise.
Yeah.
With your fingers crossed or something.
No, my.
Hey, that's not the way to my bed. What? That was.
Okay, and
That's
I'm
lit.
going to your bed, Green. But I'm not
That's
gonna.
not.
I'm not
That's not
gonna
how you use the
destroy
bed.
it. I'm not gonna destroy it.
You better not destroy it. Hey, by the way, 100 viewers, what should I do with 10 emeralds?
Can
What?
you
Actually, it was 16, but I bought some armor.
Can you give it
I
to
have-
me? Can you give it
No.
to me?
You bought some armor? I literally have a bunch of iron.
Can you give it to me? Please, give it to
No.
me. Please.
You
No.
should always take care
Okay.
of the poor. You should always take care of
Yeah,
the poor.
I'm a poor guy.
Yeah, but you're also the opponent, so I'm not really gonna rush you. Hey, are you getting emeralds?
No.
He got
Why are you
one.
doing?
He got
why are
one
you over there?
emerald.
Here, Green. Here, I'm gonna give.
Where you guys at?
Here, you want this emerald?
Yeah, I would like the emerald.
And you give me your emeralds.
Sorry if I'm not really talking, we're just
And
playing.
your emeralds.
That's what normally happens
You
whenever
give
we
me your
play.
emeralds. Give me your emeralds. Okay, I will give you
Okay,
an
hunters. Okay, so what just happened was I fireball jumped over and tried to hit him, and then he was running, and then he threw the emerald into the void on accident.
Oh, fell into the void?
Here, I got an emerald. You want an emerald? Come.
Nah, it's fine. I have a lot.
Okay, I
can
cannot.
What the heck? I can't not please. Okay. I just
Oh.
want to see your benefits. Okay? Do not kill me. Okay? Do not kill me.
I wasn't gonna kill you.
Oh, I got an emerald for you, Green.
Me too.
Oh.
I got an emerald for you.
I'll have to come kill you in a minute. It'll be fine.
I got an emerald for you. I got an emerald for you.
I just bought a trap and then it got triggered. Why did I do that? It scared me. Oh, no. Thank you.
Theo, I need to
Hey, where are
get
you at?
stuff, okay?
What are you doing?
What? I'm not
He
doing
is
nothing.
super. Green is super sensitive right now.
Stop!
And then he's like this.
Stop! Stop! Whoa! Whoa!
Bruh. I kicked you and it just boosted you off.
Queen,
Okay,
I was
Hunter, what
not
you
gonna
doing?
kill you. I was not.
Just coming
Coming
over to
and
see your
killing.
bed defense. Also doing this.
Wait, you killed me?
No, I killed Green. Just killed Green.
No, wait. You didn't kill Green. You killed Creeper.
Oh, that's
Oh, you killed
Creeper. Oh, you're Creeper.
Question.
Yeah. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I accidentally broke Michael's bed defense, but I wanted to see his bed defense.
Whoa! I
Sorry.
need to break your bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
I need to break his bed now.
Okay, you can.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really.
You joking?
Hey, Hunter Diamond, why'd you fill it up with wood in this spot?
What?
In this spot where you fill it up with wood, man. Why'd you do that?
Oh, you're at my bed?
Question. Diamond.
What?
I want.
Alright, let's just get this over with. You guys can get my bed if you want. Oh, wait. I was about to break your bed. Get back on
No.
right now.
No. I went to the lobby.
You're
Okay,
AFK.
just slash rejoin.
Slash. Oh, wait, no, it just kicked me.
You
Sorry, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry. A little bit of more difficulties. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a little bit glitchy. And a little bit laggy.
Yeah, I'm laggy too.
Oh gosh.
Hunter Diamond.
What the
You're
heck?
like
It
dual
kicked me. It
mid or
kicked me.
something.
It kicked
You're like
me.
gear up and then do a dual mid.
It kicked me.
You're out.
Wait.
Alright. Hey.
I did not mean to hit you. I did not mean
Dude,
to
it
hit you.
kicked me. That is not fair.
Out. Oh,
Look,
you.
Oh, it kicked you.
It kicked you?
That's an oof moment right there. Bro! Okay, there we go. Now I got it.
Bro, did you get my
Okay,
bed?
you can gear up a
Yeah.
little bit and then we can do a dual at mid.
So I could get
You
your
can break
bed?
my bed if you want.
Alright, I want to get your bed. Then we could do a duel.
No, I want to do a duel with Green.
You're out though. Oh man. Hey, remember on your video where you did like tour around your I don't think you posted it yet, but remember when you like try to do a video of like you at your oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Like whenever you were at your we're doing your tour and we did a 2v1, me and Creeper versus you on your building server. On your building server.
Oh yeah, that was fun. I might upload that video sometime. I don't know.
Oh, I see your bed. I see your bed.
Right now.
You should upload that video.
Yeah, you should upload it. Bro, I'm so lagged.
And I want to say
Go break my
something.
bed.
I want to say something. Do not subscribe to Green. Subscribe
No,
to us.
That's not nice.
Yeah, they can subscribe to Green Kid 1 if they want to.
Yeah, you should.
I just
Subscribe
want
to everybody.
hey.
Yeah, subscribe to all of us. but mostly me since it's my channel.